Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure both players are logged in and running the same game build. Once done, check network quality. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet to reduce lag. Next, enable any platform sharing or party features. Grant permissions to invite and control sharing. Now open the game and locate the Shareplay or co-op invite option. Initiate the session from the host account so the second player sees the incoming invite and can accept promptly. After the invite is accepted, you'll see the session establish. Watch connection indicators and latency stats. Make adjustments. Set audio mix so both players hear game and chat, choose whether controls are shared or handed off, and match resolution to the weaker device to maintain smooth frame rate. Also verify in-game party roles and permissions, because some games restrict who can control certain menus. If needed, pause and test a quick input handoff to ensure both controllers respond as expected before. To finish, save progress and sync to the cloud so nothing is lost. Then end the Shareplay session cleanly from the host's menu to release bandwidth. Make sure both players confirm saves and sign out of temporary party links. If things go wrong, like audio drop or lag, restart the router, check NAT types, and re-invite the second player. Often a quick reconnect fixes routing issues. Finally, update the game and system firmware to prevent recurring compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.